Making money online is like, how do I start a business? You said, I will start a business this year. Which business? So if you want to make money online, what exactly do you want to invest in your time,
Sunday, love
your energy?
This is an edited video.
We are going to be talking about,
It's not talking about, it's a motivation.
guys, let's talk about this. Let me motivate somebody. Out there. Are you a kind of a person who is like, exactly how do they do this? Are you still wondering making money online is a scam? Are you still thinking it's fidgeting? No, it isn't. Today, as a Sunday, I would love to give you, it's like sort of an encouragement. There is nothing beautiful like making money online. It's not there. Does it have challenges? Yes, it has challenges. Does it have benefits? Very many benefits. This motivation is going to be very short and precise. It's to tell you that in life, there's nothing that is simple. When you want simple things, they will not last. When you want simple things, maybe if you beg, if you are into, even if you're into something that's very bad, not ethical, it will be difficult. So what I always encourage people, start. And instead of you asking, calling and say, Ime, how do I make money online? That is a very big, broad question. Making money online is like, how do I start a business? You said, I will start a business this year. Which business? So if you want to make money online, what exactly do you want to invest in your time, your energy, your focus? So I always advise people, follow Immaculate Show on YouTube. It is a teaching channel. Other channels we have, but with this one, purposely, it's for teaching you. And this also teaching, it is not 100%. It's not even 50%. This is a disclaimer. We are not here to tell you that it's a must you'll be successful. No, you will not be successful unless you know other things. So guys, allow me wish you a very beautiful Sunday, a week ahead. And to anybody who wants to start this project, start right away, but make sure you watch videos, make sure you learn, make sure you invest in your time. It's like any other business, any other project, only that this one is passive, is more better than those ones. So you will not start today and finding yourself being successful tomorrow. So for Immaculate Show, and to my engagers, you guys, I love you so much. You've been awesome. To people who have learned, to people who have followed us, people who have thanked us, God bless you. But above all, we want you to do something for yourself. Like us, we are doing something for ourselves, and that is this project. This project is bringing other projects around. You can't be dull when you are into this project. So God bless you all. Blessed Sunday. See in another video. Let's see our week very successful.